Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing default search engine in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Now you are seeing three dots at the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on settings. You are seeing different buttons in left corner. Click on default browser. Now click on make default. Now you are redirected to settings. Here in bottom, you are seeing web browser. Click on it. Now choose Google Chrome or any other browser you want to make as a default browser. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.